The Fitbit Charge 4 is a powerful fitness tracker with built-in GPS, heart rate monitoring, and real-time activity tracking. It also includes sleep tracking, active zone minutes, a swim-proof design, and long battery life for all-day use. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Fitbit Charge 4 fitness tracker, additional large band, charging cable, and user manual. How to pair. To set up the Fitbit Charge 4, open the Fitbit app on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top corner. Select Set up a device, choose Charge 4 from the list, and accept the privacy information. Keep the tracker near your phone and tap Next while the app searches for the device. Once the Charge 4 appears, enter the 4-digit code shown on the tracker screen to pair it through Bluetooth. Allow notifications if you want call and message alerts, then start the software update and wait for the setup process to finish. How to charge. To charge the Fitbit Charge 4, connect the charging cable to a USB power source and align the charging pins on the back of the tracker with the pins on the charger. Gently clip the tracker into place until it fits securely, and the screen will light up or vibrate to show that charging has started. Smart features? Built-in GPS tracks your pace, distance, and workout routes in real time without needing your phone nearby. It's perfect for running, walking, cycling, and outdoor workouts with accurate location tracking. 24/7 heart rate monitoring continuously tracks your heart rate throughout the day and during workouts. It helps measure workout intensity, calories burned, resting heart rate, and overall fitness performance. Sleep tracking and sleep score automatically monitors light, deep, and REM sleep stages throughout the night. It also provides a daily sleep score to help you understand your sleep quality and recovery. Active Zone Minutes tracks the time you spend in fat burn, cardio, and peak heart rate zones during exercise. It helps you stay motivated and reach recommended weekly activity goals more effectively. Up to 7-day battery life allows the Fitbit Charge 4 to run for nearly a week on a single charge with normal use. It ensures continuous fitness tracking, sleep monitoring, and heart rate tracking without frequent recharging. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Fitbit Charge 4 fitness tracker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Charge 4 fitness tracker. See you at the next one.